Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today is day 4 of the baby food chat. The breakfast is around 8 o'clock and we are going to give pongal for the breakfast. Take a pressure cooker, add 1 teaspoon of ghee in it. To this add 2 tablespoons of split black gram, that is moong dal. The dal is already cleaned. Roast this until it turns slightly brown. Once it is done, add around 3 tablespoons of rice. If the baby is more than a year old, you can use raw rice, otherwise go for parboiled rice. Add around a cup of water and the required amount of salt. If your baby is less than 1 year, try to avoid salt. Pressure cook this for 4 whistles. This is perfectly cooked and it is soft now, but as we are going to give this to a baby, we need to mash it. Mash it nicely like this. I'm going to add a tempering into this. If you don't want the tempering, add some ghee and feed it like this itself. For the tempering, add a teaspoon of ghee in a pan. To this, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and few peppercorns. If your baby is less than 1 year, you can avoid the peppercorns. But if you want to introduce spice to the babies, add peppercorn as a whole and take it out while feeding. I have added few curry leaves here. Once everything got sauteed well, we are going to transfer this into the rice mixture. You have to be careful with the peppercorns. You should not crush it. If you crush it, it will give an extra spice to the food. So avoid crushing the peppercorns. This is definitely a protein-rich weight-gaining food for babies. You can add this once or twice in your baby's diet. And don't forget to remove the peppercorns and curry leaves while feeding the babies. So our breakfast is ready. As the breakfast is little heavy today, we are going to give only fruits for the midday snack. As far as fruits is concerned, you can give any kind of fruit. Here I am going to give kiwi today. Along with the fruit, I am going to give milk. If you want, you can give a small glass of warm milk. Or for the taste, you can add a tablespoon of date syrup into this. Hope the people who are continuously watching this baby food series will know how to make date syrup. Others can refer day 1 video. The link is given in the description. If you want, you can refer it. So here the dates milk is ready. You can either give this along with the fruit or half an hour before or after the fruit. Our snacks time is over. We have to give lunch around 12:30 or 1. As the morning breakfast was little heavy today, I'm not going to complicate the afternoon lunch. So we are going to give a simple curd rice for the babies. Take some cooked rice and mash it. Now let us add some curd and mash it again. Let us add a little salt for the taste. Adding curd in baby's diet is very important. Curd is rich in protein, it improves digestion and ensures baby's brain health. Next is snacks. Let us try to give it around 4 o'clock. And today's snacks is going to be plain paneer fry. For this I am going to take a handful of paneer. This is fresh and homemade. The recipe for the homemade paneer is given in the description. If you want, you can click it. Now crumble the paneer like this. Add some ghee in a pan. To this add the crumbled paneer. Start sauteing this. Paneer will leave a little water. To this let us add a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of chili powder and a pinch of salt. You can adjust the chili powder and salt according to your need. The paneer is already cooked. You don't need to cook this for a long time. You can cook this for 3 to 4 minutes in medium flame and then switch off the flame. So the snacks is ready. Next we'll move on to the dinner. The dinner has to be around 8 o'clock and I'm going to give oats porridge for the baby. For the porridge, take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oats. To this add half a cup of water. Stir this and cook the oats in low to medium flame for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see that the oats got cooked well. For the taste, I am going to add some jaggery powder. Jaggery powder will give sweetness. If you want, you can avoid this and add some salt. And if your baby is less than 1 year, try to avoid the salt. if you have already introduced milk in your baby's diet, you can add milk over here. You can add around a quarter cup. Stir this and cook for another 1 or 2 minutes. Oats is very rich in fiber and protein, and you can avoid constipation problem if you give oats for babies. But other than fiber and protein, it doesn't have much nutritional value, so you can add some vegetable puree or fruit puree into this. So day 4 is over. Meet you on day 5. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.